Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you two methods to access the hidden web browser on your new PlayStation 5. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is click the PS button on your controller. Next, we will click on Game Base at the bottom of the screen. Now what we want to do is find someone we know, a family, friend, or brother, cousin, and click on them. Next, we are going to click on Messages. Then we will click on View Messages. And right where it says Enter a Message, all we need to do is type google.com. Alright, so once we have typed google.com, we are just going to click Send. Now all we have to do is click on google.com and it will send you to the browser. Now we can go to any website we want to. So we're going to click on Best Buy. We're going to click Go. And we are going to click on the bestbuy.com link. And you can see now that we are able to use the web browser. Now you're not able to go up and use the address bar, so everything you do has to be done through google.com. Alright, so let's go all the way back out, and now I'm going to show you the second method. Now what we need to do is click on Settings. Next, you will click on Users and Accounts. Then we are going to scroll down and click on Link with Other Services. And the one we want to click on is YouTube. You will come to this page, then you will click Link Account. Next, right at the bottom of this box, you will see Terms. So bottom right, Terms, we want to click on that. Now we are here on the Google Privacy and Terms page. Now located on the top right corner right next to Sign In, we want to click on the Google Apps. Now you will see Google Search. And now it brings you to the same Google search page. And now a random website, we're going to go into IKEA. Let's see if it'll work. Search. And now we are on the IKEA webpage. And if it makes it easier, you can always plug in your keyboard. I did plug in a keyboard to the PlayStation 5 and it did work. That is all I have for today. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider supporting this channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.